Hello everyone, it's Keisha from Drink Coffee Make Stuff. Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be planning in my classic size happy planner. And let me find the week. I am going to be planning for the week of April 18th through the 24th. I'll go ahead and take those off the disc. And this week I have pulled one of my older sticker books. This is Hooray Seasons from the Happy Planner. And so I'm going to be trying to come up with a really spring type spread today. So I'm going to go ahead and speed the video up, and when I finish, I'll be back. All right, everyone, I'm going to stop right here. Let me go ahead and put this back on the disc. I think this came out really cute. I like it. So let me go ahead and put them back on. And I really wanted a springy layout this week. That's coming up. So I think it turned out really pretty with the florals and the copper foiling. Pastel colors. Love it. Yes. All right. So yeah, I like that. And for my VB pens this week, I'm going to go ahead and pull some of my pastel pens. I think I'll go with this one. And let's see, I need another one. Maybe the clover. Okay. All right, so I pulled lavender and clover. And I think that is going to be it. So if you like this video, make sure you give me a thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. And if you want to see more videos, make sure you hit the subscribe button. And until next time, happy planning.